It's an absolute honor and a privilege for me to be able to bring You Can't Touch This.
Oh my God!
Who know MC? You can't touch it. Can't touch this. On you MC. Can't touch it. My music is so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me with a mind to rhyme. Like this is good. You know you're down, shoot your boom off from your town. I know. That's that, and this is the beat. Can't touch it. Hallelujah, MC. Can't touch it. No matter how hard you try, can't touch it. Look at my eyes, man. Can't touch it. Now listen, Mr. Hammer, I'm gonna bust it for the lyrics. First you get advance, got them like that, cause you know you're there so move. Out of your seat, you get right girl, and you get this to hold on, come a little bit, let them know what's going on like that. Right back, get down on your knees, and all come back, let them know I'm too much, and this is the beat. Never can't touch it. I know you can't touch this. What you staring at, man? I can't touch it. Yo, Cinema Bell, school's in sugar. Give me a song or rhythm. Make no mistake, that's what I'm giving them now. They know, they talk about that, and they talk about a show that's hype and tight. Things are spreading so fast in the night hard tape. To learn is what it's gonna take in analysis, Burt, chart. Legit, you better work hard and you might as well quit. Better just think you bad. Can't touch it. Can't touch it. Break it down. Stop. That's right. Hold the phone. Your hands in the air. What's the move? Let me finish your hair. Sit. You're a winner. Dance to the whip and you're gonna get thinner now. Move. Slide your walk. Just for a minute. Let's all slow mo. Yeah. Can't touch it. Break it down. Break it down. Fast time. Can't touch it. Can't touch it.